Our project mainly focus on crop classification using SAR images on Indian small farms. We created shapefile for each farm, mapping each farm using coordinate system. Using the shapefile, we extracted many images. To extract images, we use various technologies. First, we took many images of that particular shapefile using Google Earth Engine, and we pre-processed it. As SAR image is full of errors and uncorrected image, we push the shapefile to Google Earth. We have created a data set consisting of various polarimetric data, so each farm can have multiple time data. So we have captured all the data and all the ratios like radar, vegetation index, and VV by VH index. We created various classification models for that our data set, so that we can train our model on these data, so that we can get a crop classification. So using this model, our model predicts. So here you can see various accuracy of our various models. After the model has been trained, we give it an unseen data, and it predicts on that unseen data, and results are like this. It gives us the crop class that at this field at that particular time that this crop is growing, like wheat, chili and maize particularly for this data set.
This internship was full of joy and learning. Well, everybody is doing something, so you learn from everybody. My major learning was how to start a project from scratch, and how to see a project according to a research paper. This internship was really life-changing for me. Amazing culture, amazing project, amazing technologies, amazing experience, amazing mentors, and amazing principal investigators. Because they have supported us, they think about us, they make us learn things. If I talk about Kavi Arya, today itself, he sit with us to ideate about our startup. Speaking about our mentor, they set us free to explore, to do mistakes and learn from our mistakes. So it's really amazing to see how this organization is changing the shape of current teaching. We have a workshop about sustainable business ideas where Professor Pratap showed us that how an idea has been implemented, how to find the best idea, and how to take that idea into reality. eYantra internship has overcome my fear of implementation.
I couldn't express my thoughts before. After coming here, I gained the confidence, like how to speak to others, how can you represent your idea.
One thing I noted from that talk was how to give a presentation, how to make a presentation. His presentation was more visual than text.
At first, I want to do some job-oriented work or something like that. With eYantra's help, I'm thinking about doing startups, thinking about developing different products, thinking about providing the job.
During this internship, we has various sustainability workshops which sparked my interest in energy saving and computer architecture. Because in today's world, there is a lot of energy consumption and heat release from computers. How could I reduce the energy consumption? That kind of research-oriented goals are unlocked due to eYantra. So if you want to learn things, if you want to implement things, if you want to learn new technologies, eYantra internship is the place you come to. Here the campus is so beautiful, so refreshing, so green. You would be creative here. You would not think small here. You are made to think big. You are trained to think big. Students here are so amazing, so friendly. So come at this internship for culture, for campus, for experience, to get big things in your life.